I don't want to Piccolo more.
Dear Black Americans, our brothers and sisters sold during transatlantic slave trade, those in the Caribbean, those in North America, those in the German plantation of Jamaica, Haiti. I'm speaking from Nnewi, Igbo land. This is a video of apology. I'm apologizing for what happened 400 and 500 years ago during the period of slavery, during the period that our people sold their fellow kinsmen to the white men. Is vicious, is bad, is man's inhumanity to fellow man. Slavery is something very heinous. But what is more heinous than slavery is your own kind selling you to another race. If the white men that bought slaves committed crime, our own people that sold their own people committed worse crime. If the punishment for buying slave is one, the punishment for selling slave should be double or multiple. It has been 400 or 500 years that many of you, your ancestry, were uprooted from many black communities to faraway islands for manual labor. So many of you, your ancestors, died in the ship. Some were thrown into the sea. I've read about what happened in Georgia, where many of my Igbo brothers that were sold from the Omambala area of Anibo, instead of subjecting themselves to slave trade, they went into the sea and died inside the sea. Those people were sold from this part of Igbo land, Omambala. They refused to be subjected to slavery. We consider their act heroic, but we need to call out our own people that sold their own brother. Selling your own brother, your own sister, your own kith and kin, the people you share the same tradition with, is devilish, is satanic, is bad, is the height of betrayal. And for over 400 or 500 years, all this happened. We, the blacks who are still here in our ancestral land, have not found it worthy to apologize to all of you, to say we are sorry. My own direct ancestors, to the best of my knowledge, did not participate in slavery. But nevertheless, I am from Nnewi. Many of us, we know many of the families that participated in this dark art, in this dark business. It's a pity that government of many black nations have not done this kind of apology video to the black people who are still in America, who are still in Jamaica, who are still in the Caribbean island, who are trying to connect back, trace their root back. It is proving difficult. There are what our people will say, Abura Nuenu, Abura Nuana. Some of them, wherever they are feeling like second-class citizens. They have not been able to fit in into this strange environment that slavery put them into. They have been finding it very difficult to adapt. I believe that most of the setbacks that we, the blacks, are suffering, blacks in Africa are suffering today, is as a result of karma for selling our own brothers, for selling our own sisters, for betraying them. This act of betrayal has set us back. I believe it is what gave, or what still gives, the white, the Europeans, the iron race, the confidence to know that they are better than us, to believe that they are more civilized than us. Because I cannot consider the white man selling his fellow white man to the black man. They will never do that. They do not even consider a black man worthy enough to marry a white lady. Yet, we felt it was good. We felt it was wonderful selling our own kith and kin to be slaves to another people. I'm making this video today to say that we are sorry. We are extremely sorry. We apologize all the black people who are suffering in Haiti, who are suffering in Trinidad and Tobago, who are suffering in strange islands today, we are sorry. We apologize. What our ancestors did, what they did 400 to 500, 300, 250 years ago, 200 years ago, was terribly what? Bad. Many people died inside the sea. Some died inside the ships. They were shackled. They were dehumanized. Many blacks were dehumanized. Many blacks were dehumanized. Their names were written off. They were given strange names. Their bodies were used for several experiments. Their skulls were used for several lab tests to know if the black man is an ape or is a real human being. Yet, many of our black government, African government, have not found it worthy to apologize to blacks in diaspora, all the people that experienced slavery, that what our ancestors did was terribly bad. I'm making this video today, extending these hands of apology, extending this voice of apology, extending an embrace, a hug to you with a note of what? Sorry. I pray that you people find it in your deepest of hearts to forgive your kith and kin right here in Africa for the crime we committed 500, 400, 300, 200, 150 years ago in the name of slavery. It was bad yesterday, it is still bad today. I wish someday some of you will trace yourself back to your homeland, to Africa, where you truly belong, where you will experience the liberty you once experienced before you were forcefully taken out of Africa by your own people who betrayed you and sold you as a good. Some were sold at the price of ordinary box of matches. Some were sold just in exchange of mirror. Some were sold just in exchange of a bottle of gin. What we did back then was terrible. It's totally condemnable. And I want you to know that I am deeply sorry. I'm saying this as in Zetebo Sigwe, as an initiate in Igbo traditional Ozo system. I'm saying it from this office. I'm saying it as someone who is now deeply immersed in Igbo customs and tradition. My ancestors inspired me to make this apology on behalf of as many of them that participated in the slave trade. It's wicked. It is atrocious. I pray that one day our African government will wake up and make a bold apology to all our brothers and sisters who have found themselves in strange places as a result of slave trade. I want you to know that we are deeply sorry. I want you to know that what we did was bad. I want you to know that we regret it, and we are regretting it heavily today, and we are paying the price today because we sold our own kith and kin. That was how we left the door open for the stranger to come and colonize us, to take our resources, and is still taking our resources today. Our people will say, no, it is our own people during the period of slavery. That was when we lost the plot. That was when we threw the doors open for the adversary to pillage our resources. They have taken our fellow brothers and sisters. So what is there? If it was noble for them to take our fellow brothers and sisters as slaves, then what is there in taking our resources? And they're still taking it up to you today. And that's why we are apologizing. And we are asking you, as many of you that want to come back, please, you are welcome back. We stay in Nnewi. Lines of communication will be opened in no distance time, so that some of us will start communicating with you people that have interest in relocating back to Africa. An arrangement will be made, I believe, when the government of Africa will wake up, so that people can come back, our black people can come back and fit into their homeland. Home is home, and there is no other place that is better than home. Please, we are duly sorry. I'm making this apology on behalf of our ancestors that participated. Many of them are in deep regret of what they did. They are truly sorry. I, Ezi Kolomo, I am sorry for what they did, and I'm making this apology on behalf of them. Thank you very much. Remain blessed. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, please like, subscribe, and share. I would like to hear from some of you. If you have any question, please, you can reach me through the number on the screen, or my email address, or my other social media handles. Thank you. Thank you.